Today I'm going to show you how to make an in the hoop banner. First we're going to start with our placement stitch, which will show us where we need to put our fabric. Once our fabric is down, we're going to start with our embroidery. First step is the arm lines for this ghost banner in this design. Next we're going to place down our fabric for the applique. This is for the boo banner. So it's going to stitch that out. And then next we're going to cut away all the excess fabric so we are left with a nice clean applique. We want to cut as close to the stitch line as possible without cutting the stitches. That way when we run our satin stitch, all the raw edges will be hidden underneath. Now we're going to run our satin stitch and the rest of our embroidery for this design. Once that's complete, we're going to make the faux outline stitches, and this is where the hole is going to be for the rope or the ribbon to pass through. So here we're going to add the backing. You can use adhesive spray. I'm using some double-sided tape just because that's what I had on hand. We're going to press down the backing fabric. And then the next step is to run the actual outline, which will connect the front piece to the back piece, and we are left with a finished banner piece. So it does the top half and then the bottom half, and we're still left with those two openings on the side. There you can kind of see them in the back there. So next I'm going to cut this out. Okay, and once all that's cut out, you can use a couple different tools to put your ribbon through the opening. There I have hemostats, and that tool there is called the Purple Thang, and it essentially works as a large yarn needle like you might find in knitting or crocheting. So you can put it through that way or pull it through with the hemostats.